Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Hello Mr. Budi. My name is Rafael K. Pratama from UPII Faculty of Psychology, student number 212140900052. At this time, I will tell you presentation about intelligence. Scientists define intelligence as ability to learn or to understand. People who are intelligent learn what they are taught easily and quickly. Intelligent person also remember what they have learned. This knowledge can then be used in new situation or problem. Intelligent person face with some problems or situation that they have never met before. We will use their knowledge and memory of situation in the past to solve the problem. Many psychologists believe that intelligence can be measured with various kinds of tests. The scientists believe that if a person can deal intelligently with some problems in a test, he or she will also deal intelligently with problem in everyday life. Okay, next a question. Number 1. What is intelligence? Scientists define intelligence as ability to learn or to understand. People who are intelligently learn what they are taught easily and quickly. Intelligent person also remember what they have learned. Number 2. What is intelligence for? People who are intelligent learn what they are know easily and quickly. Intelligent person also remember what they have learned. This knowledge can then be used in new situations or problems. Intelligent person face with some problem or situation that they have never met before will ask their knowledge and memory of situation in the past to solve the problem. Number 3. Can intelligence be measured? How? Many psychologists believe that intelligence can be measured with various kinds of tests. The test scientists believe that if a person can deal intelligently with some problem in a test, he or she will also deal intelligently with problem in everyday life. Psychologists express the result of an intelligence test in a number called an IQ or intelligence question. They determine this number. They first give tests to find the person mental age. To young people of 8 and 16 may both have a mental age of 12. The younger person has average development faster than the older, but their mental age does not show difference in their rates of mental growth. The mental age of the younger person is far above his or her chronological age, but the older person mental age is far below his or her chronological age. Therefore, psychologists develop the formula. Number 4. Explain the correlation between intelligence, a test, and life. The relationship between intelligence and life is very infunctional because in action and life intelligence is the most important thing as the most powerful solution. Number 5. What is IQ? IQ stands for intelligence quotient or individual intelligence, which is related to the ability to think. Intelligence is actually a person's overall ability to be able to think and act logical direction and can control and process the environment more effective life. Number 6 is someone who has a high IQ always smart. A high IQ does not mean someone must be good at learning. High IQ score show only a slight advantage over people with a low IQ. Even though our IQ score are high, if we don't actively train brain development, our IQ score will decrease. Conversely, people who diligently train their brains will also increase their IQ test score. Our brain is a very complex organ and is not yet widely known by scientists. Number 7. Human beings are the most intelligent animals. What does this statement mean? Human beings are the most intelligent animals. People have built quiz, written books, and traveled to the moon. Since a human being is currently not the biggest animal or the animal with the biggest brain, intelligence cannot be measured by size. But study of other animals are showing that a human being is definitely not the only animal with intelligence. Other animals can communicate with each other, but they cannot read. They cannot do mathematics or build complete things like automobiles or airplanes. Still, animals learn very quickly the things they have to know in order to stay alive and healthy. Animals also remember things they have learned. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you very much. Sorry there are mistake. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.